the chicken, let it it's done. Now we're gonna get our potato ready. Not gonna make a lot, but I just want you guys to see how I make my potatoes. Then we're gonna wait until the food is ready to cook. Oops. With my mashed potato, what I usually put, I'll put the potato, of course, and carrots. You like it with carrots, so I'm gonna have to get some carrots, clean them, and cut them to my likeness. I'm gonna have to tell my son to come for food. I just see Wiley. Let me see what Wiley posts. I was just talking about honey, and while I saw notification for Wiley, I always got lots of honey in curry. And guys, you know I'm from the Caribbean. It's not an excuse, but my English could be. I could have a lot of grammar issues sometimes. But that I'm working on. I'm aware of it. I don't find no shame in it, okay? Where I come from, I got dialect. I dialect me talk. And I know what English speak. They only say English, okay? Because it's normal when your country was ruled by the French, and then the English pushed them out, okay? So we confuse to know. So we're between French and English, okay? It's not our fault. It's not our fault. Our country was ruled by the French hemisphere, you know, by France, and then England, as always, come and push them out and take over our beautiful island. That's why in our country we have a lot of French names, you know, like La Sophie, Chateau Barley. You know, and all these things. Fitils. It's all French names. My name, Ferdinand, is Francais. En Francais, it's French. You know? So the English come and force them out. So we get stuck between not know which language to speak. So we go between French and English dialect. And then they try to bust our brain to enforce English, French, England, under French in our vocabulary. They confuse us. It's big confusion. So don't judge me, okay? If you see I make a mistake, please correct me. I don't want to be perfect. I'm not perfect, and I don't want to be. Because if I'm perfect, it means that my life will not be enjoyable. I like to learn at something every day. So I like to make mistakes so I could learn and I could grow and I grow. And I like to see growth. I'm fascinated by that. So, okay, what we need now is carrots. One is enough because it's big. I might make some other coleslaw salad, I think. That's too much, eh? Not really too much. Because I'm not going to cook until maybe the day after tomorrow. So I'll just make it. I love my we just need 1 carrot. Peel, cut, and gonna be ready soon. Now we're gonna cut it. Okay. We are going to cut it. Homemade food is the best. We like our homemade food. It's the best. Actually, I enjoy cooking though. I enjoy cooking for my family. You know, I put so much love into my cooking. I think everything that I do, I enjoy doing it. And I make it fun, you know. I put fun into it, humor. I put humor into it. And we need that, especially in today's society that we are living in, you know. The world is so stressful by the way it is, you know. Where is my cover? Where is my cover? Here you are. We're gonna put the corn into this in this salad. I'm gonna bring the, let me see if I could extend this a little bit. Can you guys see? Tracy Love. Shout out to Tracy Love. Anybody notification I popped out, I'm giving them a shout out today, okay? So you see here now, our chicken is cooking. Guys, you have done a great job with me today. Our chicken is boiling. So this is the stew right here. This is what I should have done before, right? Bring it a little bit closer so you guys could actually see how I brown the sugar and everything. So next time I'll know, okay? So I don't like my chicken, I don't like the sauce, I don't like it to be too brown, too much, okay? So I always do it like golden brown. When it's finished, you're gonna see how nice it looks, and it's delicious too. It's delicious, it tastes really good. You know, I'm not gonna lie. If I burn it, I'm gonna say, oh, it's terrible. Because you know, it's we're human, we make mistakes. We're gonna do things that's not good sometimes. We're not perfect. So this is our potato and carrots boiling. Let me just put this one up. This one is double. It said double burner here, but I don't know. I don't see what's double, two burners. I don't see what's double about it because it doesn't really do a good job, honestly. Tracy Love. Anybody who has notification today, I'll be playing your video. Tracy Love. So shout out to Tracy Love. Let's read her video. building trust is important. Why building trust is important? Because trust without trust, you don't have a solid foundation in a relationship. We need trust, loyalty, honesty comes on all that. And when you can't trust, this is where love grows. Boiling and good. It's boiling and good, okay? You guys did a great job. Eh? You did a great job. So let's me push because we need to charge this phone. We don't want our phone to die. Okay? We don't need that phone. We need the phone to be going well. Do you need anything that's no, we don't. We need it alive. So let me turn this